Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto Sales in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have a vehicle I've been looking forward to for quite a while now. This is the 2016 Jeep Renegade Latitude manual. Yes, Jeep offered the Renegade in a manual. They were pretty hard to come by. I never saw one on a new lot or anything like that. They were honestly very hard to come by, at least in New England's market. Made it to a 1.4 liter. It feels turbo. It might be a little turbo. I think it's a multi-air turbo. We'll see here. Oh yeah. A 1.4 liter multi-air turbo. So not bad on the power front. Torque is definitely there. Just want a little bit more angle. There. Oh yeah, that's a little bit better. Now, hidden throughout this are little Easter eggs. Actually, I totally forgot about this vehicle's. Every Jeep has an animal on it, or a creature, I should say. This one is a spider saying, "Ciao, baby." Obviously, Italian underpinnings on this, but there's your spider. On the compass, I believe there's a gecko where the front wipers are. So every Jeep has an animal somewhere inside or on the vehicle. This one happens to be a spider. Six-speed manual. Honestly, a pretty good gearbox. I was expecting it to be pretty bad. I'm not gonna lie. Based on what some of the Wrangler manuals are like, I was like, yeah, this is gonna be sloppy. I mean, the throws are a bit long, but this isn't a sports car. Never was designed to be. Do have a, actually, very decent quality backup camera. That was a quadrifoglio. Never see those around here. I've driven a few Renegade automatics, been dying to try one of these. I mean, the Subaru Crosstrek is the only other vehicle in this segment I can think of that offers a manual. Off the top of my head. I don't even know if the Renegade still offers a manual. $60 miles an hour, a little over 2,000 RPM. So it's a good cruising gearbox too. A lot of these small compact cars have terrible gear ratios where at 70 miles an hour you're at 3,500 RPM. Not the case here. And the fact you can actually rev match this is pretty impressive too. What I love about this powertrain is there's no point in wringing it out unless you want to for fun, and then it will willingly do it. But all the torque is under 4,000 RPM. Every single piece of torque is under 2,400. All right, wow, it's under 4,000. Above 4,000, it doesn't fall on its face, but you definitely feel the pull start to diminish a little bit. But that's the way this gearbox should be. You know, like a GTI or a GLI, that I want pulled to redline because that's where that car is going to be. You know, on track and such. This, all right, what is this? 2,000. I'll do 1,500 RPM to the floor. There. 2,500, you feel peak boost kick in. But you gotta think about, you know, off-roading situations. You don't need peak power to be way up at redline. You want all the torque down low, because that's where this vehicle's gonna be. And that's what, I'll say Fiat Chrysler, FCA was what made this. Now it's Stellantis, still not a fan of the name, but that's who made this, Fiat Chrysler. And underneath, I think this shares underpinnings with the 500X, the Fiat 500X. Alright, you guys, this thing's a riot. I love it. Perfect little car. This makes the Renegade a lot more fun to drive. Definitely changes the character up a bit for the better. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.